Welcome to the Santa Clara 4th Ward Online Tithing Settlement Booking Tutorial. These instructions will make it easy for you to reserve an online appointment with Bishop Christensen at an available time that is convenient for you. The easiest way to get to the booking homepage is to click the link in the email that you received. Otherwise, open a new tab in your favorite internet browser. Then, in the URL address bar, type the following address: SCforOURTH.SIMPLYBOOK.me. Then press enter. You will be taken to the Santa Clara 4th Ward appointment booking homepage, which is the same place that the link in your email will take you. Next, click on the Book Now button in the middle of the screen. Go ahead, it's okay. Here you will see the available open appointments by date, in weekly blocks, signified by times with a black outline around it. You may move forward and backward in time by weekly blocks, to find a time that best fits your schedule. The available times will be on Sundays and Tuesdays. When you find an available time that suits your schedule, click on that time. On this screen, enter your name, email address, and mobile phone number, as you will be receiving notifications to both your email address and phone number to remind you of your appointment. Click the box signifying that you agree with the Simply Book Me terms and conditions. Then click the Confirm Booking button. This screen will show you the information of the appointment you just booked. You have the option of adding the appointment to your calendar, booking other appointments if needed, and canceling the appointment you just booked. That's it, you are done. You can exit this page on your browser. You're all done. All you have to do now is sit back and relax. We will send you an email confirming your appointment. There will be instructions in the email if you need to cancel or change your appointment. We will even send you an email and SMS text message to remind you of your appointment. Thanks for watching, and happy booking. Smiley face emoji, thumbs up emoji, smiley face emoji.